Hi guys, so this is the AGARO Breeze Desk Fan. It has 3 speed settings. USB port comes with 1 year warranty. So you can see on the side multiple power source, power adapter, power bank, card, laptop with a 40-degree tilt, 5 blade, low noise, high quality motor. And such a packing. Let's unbox it. My warranty card in behind. And as such, it's blue and black with 5 this thing. You can connect and use it as a desk fan or in the kitchen or anywhere else to have a good view. 3 settings. There's a power button at the side. You click once, it gets on. Twice, first mode. One more time, the second speed setting. One more time, the third speed setting. The fourth press you do, it comes back to first. So you use it at long press to on and off. So it's just like this, tilt, like this and on. Thank you.